23rd question from Digital SAT Test 3, Module 1. Number 23 is asking for the most logical transition. We've got to see whether what comes before and after blank shows similarity or difference. It shows similarity. Since it shows similarity, we can get rid of regardless because that shows difference. What it's saying before is that every chemical compound has a spectroscopic fingerprint, and that is pattern of light unique to that compound. And so the light is analyzed by Maria Cristina de Sanctis, and she concludes that the region contains large amounts of sodium carbonate. So what do we have? Are two things happening at the same time? No, so meanwhile is gone. And we're not comparing that general statement to something Maria Cristina de Sanctis is doing with it. Thus is the only reasonable answer. It means for this reason. That would fit nicely in a blank. To see the full-length video, go to YouTube, Ivy Masters Learning Center, in the playlist. The longer videos are just below these shorter videos. Once you find this section and module number is section 3, module 1, make sure you click subscribe and check out this other video about transitions. Have a great day.